Good morning, kindergarten friends. Welcome to Make It Monday for March 23rd. Today we're going to be looking at some images with our 10 frames and some dots on there, and we're going to be making different numbers. Parents, feel free to pause the video so that your student can explain their thinking to you, how they were able to make the number, what strategies they used, and just have fun with this. All right, here we go.
Okay, here's our first slide. How many more to make 14? I'm looking at my 10 frames and I notice that neither of them are completely full. What might you do, mathematicians, to help you figure out how many more you need? Pause here, grown-ups, and give some think time. I might, in my mind, move 3 from the bottom 10 frame up to make one full 10 frame. And then I see that there are 3 more left in the bottom 10 frame in my mind. 10 and 3 makes 13. So if I have 13, I only need 1 more to make 14. Did you use the same strategy? Ready for image 2? How many more to make 15? Let's see. First, I'm going to notice that again I have 2 10 frames. Neither 10 frame is full. Pause here, grown-ups, to give some think time. I can see that top 10 frame has 5 and the bottom 10 frame also has 5. I know that 5 and 5 make 10. So if I already have 10, I'm going to count on from there using my fingers. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I need 5 more to make 15. If I have 10, I will need 5 more. Did you use the same strategy as me? Tell a grown-up you're thinking. Here comes image 3 for today. How many more to make 15? Wait a second. Is this a trick question? Pause here, grown-ups, and have your mathematician explain why this might be a trick question. All right, I notice that my bottom 10 frame has 10 in it already. It's completely full. That top 10 frame, when I count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, has 5 already in it. I know from the last slide that 10 and 5 make 15, so I don't need any more to make 15. Did this one trick you? Probably not. Ready for our fourth image? How many more to make 20? I know that 2 groups of 10 makes 20. I have 2 10 frames on my screen. One 10 frame is completely full. The other one has some spaces. What strategy would you use to help you solve this one? I would count the missing spaces. I would need 1, 2, 3 more to have 2 full 10 frames. So I would need 3 more to make 20. Great job, mathematicians! Last one. How many more to make 19? Again, I notice that I have 2 10 frames. I'm going to use the strategy of counting on. My bottom 10 frame is filled, so I know that's 10. Now I'm going to count on from there, pointing to the dots in my top 10 frame. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So right now I know I have 15 dots on my screen. How many more to make 19? Let's see. Let's keep using that strategy of counting on. Right now I'm at 15. Let's see how many more we need to get to 19. Use your fingers to keep track if you need to. All right, here we go. 15 is where I am starting my counting on. Hold up those fingers as we count. 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, how many fingers am I holding up? 4. That's right, I need 4 more to make 19. Did you use a different strategy? Great job today, mathematicians. I hope you enjoyed Make It Monday.